can say that the past few days have been trying times. Though we thank God for life, health, and strength, I don't know about you, the Lord has given me an appreciation for hot water in the last few days. The Lord has given me a great appreciation for ammunition. I know some of us, we are in a place that we count calories and we don't eat here or eat there. But the Lord has given me an appreciation for being able to find food anywhere. Some of that travel, maybe you don't understand. For the past few days, we haven't been able to find anyone in to get something to eat. And then when you find it, they price out so high. But even in all of that, we say, thank you, Lord. If you came to be, so get it